If you want to print from Krita, the easiest and safest way is to export your artwork first, then print it using your computer's built-in photo viewer. This gives you much better control over quality, sizing, and printer settings, especially if you're working with a detailed drawing, illustration, or painting. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. And if this helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's start in Krita. Once your artwork is finished and ready to print, go to the top menu bar and click File, then choose Export. Exporting is the best option here because it lets you save your image in a format that keeps the quality high without sending the whole project file to the printer. When the export window opens, look for the Save as Type drop-down at the bottom. Click that menu and choose either TIFF image or PNG image. Both of these formats are great for printing because they preserve detail and avoid compression issues that can make your artwork look blurry or blocky. If you want the cleanest result, PNG is usually a very solid choice, and TIFF is also excellent for high-quality printing workflows. Next, choose where you want to save the file. Pick a folder that's easy to find, such as your desktop or pictures folder, and give the file a clear name so you can recognize it right away. Then click Save to export the image from Krita. Depending on the size of your artwork, this may take a moment, especially if your canvas is large or your file contains a lot of layers and detail. Now that your artwork has been exported, the next step is to print it using your computer's operating system viewer. If you're on Windows, find the image file you just saved and open it in the default Windows Photos app. Once the image is open, press Ctrl and P on your keyboard to bring up the print menu. In the print dialog, select your connected printer from the list of available devices. Make sure the correct printer is chosen before continuing. This is also the place where you can check basic print settings like paper size, orientation, and whether you want the image to fit the page or print at a specific size. Before you print, it's always a good idea to preview the layout so you can make sure the artwork isn't cropped in the wrong place. If your image is meant to be full page, check that it fills the page properly. If you want borders or a different size, adjust those settings now. Once everything looks right, click print and let the printer do the rest. That's really all there is to it. The main idea is to export your Krita artwork as a high quality image file first, then use your operating system's viewer to send it to the printer. This method is simple, reliable, and works much better than trying to rush the process or use a low-quality export format. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to video. And if you want, I can also show you how to print from Krita with the correct page size, margins, and color settings in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.